The journey begins in vast vineyards filled with carefully cultivated green grapes.
Each cluster is cut carefully to protect the fruit before processing begins.
Freshly harvested grapes are gathered quickly to preserve their quality. Once harvested, the grapes move immediately toward controlled transport. Controlled handling keeps the delicate fruit protected on its way to the factory. The first factory checkpoint begins with careful inspection of the incoming fruit. From here, the grapes enter the factory line, where cleaning and sorting begin. Inside the plant, every grape enters a carefully controlled cleaning and sorting line. A thorough wash removes field debris before the fruit reaches precision sorting. Excess moisture is removed as the grapes are prepared for detailed inspection. Human inspection removes obvious defects before automated sorting takes over. Optical sensors now examine the fruit at industrial speed and consistency. Only the selected fruit continues toward the next stage of processing. The clusters are separated from their stems, preparing the fruit for extraction. A final rinse prepares the clean fruit for its transformation into juice and raisins.
From one carefully cleaned harvest, two products begin their separate industrial journeys.
Now the cleaned grapes enter the core transformation stage, where juice and raisins take shape.
The cleaned grapes now enter the first major transformation of the juice line.
Mechanical crushing opens the fruit and releases its naturally contained juice.
The crushed fruit is transferred continuously toward mechanical juice extraction. Inside the press, controlled mechanical force separates the valuable juice from the solid material. The freshly extracted juice is collected before impurities are removed in stages. Multi-stage filtration progressively cleans the juice while preserving its natural grape character. Clarification removes remaining suspended material and prepares the juice for controlled finishing. Meanwhile, another portion of the harvest follows a separate path toward green raisins. Controlled pre-treatment prepares the grape skins for efficient industrial drying. With the two streams now separated, juice purification and raisin drying move deeper into the factory. Inside the drying tunnel, controlled airflow steadily transforms fresh grapes into concentrated raisins. Temperature and humidity are carefully balanced throughout the long drying cycle.
Sensors help the operators maintain the moisture level required for consistent raisins.
The final drying stage brings the green raisins to their controlled finished moisture. Cooling stabilizes the raisins before precision grading and finishing. Meanwhile, the juice is gently concentrated by removing excess water under controlled conditions. Controlled blending brings the concentrated juice to a consistent industrial specification. Final filtration produces a clean and uniform juice stream ready for controlled heat treatment.
Controlled pasteurization helps stabilize the juice while maintaining consistent processing conditions.
Dryer temperature stabilizing. Filtration pressure within limits. Optimizing juice flow now. After cooling, Every raisin enters a precision grading system for consistent size and quality.
Mechanical grading separates the raisins into uniform size categories.
Optical inspection checks color and visible defects at high production speed. Defective pieces are removed automatically while the approved stream continues forward. Human eyes provide the final hands-on check before the raisins are released for packaging. The finished raisins are collected in a controlled hopper before precise weighing.
Each portion is measured precisely to maintain consistent package weight.
The finished juice rests briefly in a controlled holding tank before filling. The finished grape juice is portioned into bottles with precise automated filling. 2 products, 1 harvest, and 1 coordinated factory system now approach final quality control.
Before anything leaves the factory, every finished batch passes through strict quality checks.
Samples are taken directly from production to verify the finished juice meets specification. Soluble solids are measured to confirm the juice has the required concentration.
Acidity and pH measurements help verify the consistency and stability of the finished juice.
Additional laboratory testing verifies that the finished product remains within required safety parameters. For raisins, controlled moisture is critical to achieving the desired texture and shelf stability.
Appearance, size, and physical condition are checked before the raisin batch is released.
Every finished package remains traceable from the factory line back to its production batch. Automated inspection provides one final check before the products enter finished goods handling.
With quality confirmed, the finished products are cleared for packaging, storage, and shipment.
The approved products are now packed into shipping cases for distribution. Every shipping carton receives identification codes for complete product traceability. Uniform pallet patterns keep thousands of packages stable during storage and transport. Stretch wrapping protects the finished products as they move through the warehouse.
Finished products are stored in an organized warehouse until distribution orders are released. When orders are released, stored pallets are retrieved and prepared for shipment.
From the warehouse, carefully organized pallets are loaded for their journey to customers and retailers. Once the shipment is verified, the finished products are sealed and released from the plant. From vineyard harvest to finished products, every stage is connected inside one modern production system. And this is how modern factories produce green grape juice and green raisins from start to finish.